I mean it, guys. So I use 6.0 pH water because it's much gentler than tap to cleanse my face. Then I will slightly pat dry my face, but I'll leave it a little bit wet because it allows this serum to fully sink in. This Panacea potion by Champione is my new favorite product. I'm obsessed. It just gives me the most radiant glow. It truly is like an all-in-one product. It prevents acne and wrinkles from forming. It also makes my face feel so moisturized, and like I mentioned, it gives me the most natural glow. I will just gently dab it into my skin and it smells and feels amazing. After that, I will apply Champione's multifunctional skin saver, and I love this because it's basically organic makeup. It is a tinted moisturizer with UV protection, so it's also like a sunscreen.